Welcome to TDS Online Math. Let's solve for x here, given 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x equals to 400. Solution. So 4 to the power x plus that equals to 400. Now we have so many ways of solving this. You can choose to add the left hand side straight, or you can let a variable represent one of them since they are equal here. So you can say let 4 to the power x be t. So in going back, this side will be t plus t equals to 400. So from here, t plus t will be 2t equals to 400. So we can divide both sides by 2. So we have t equals to 200. Okay. So we can go back and do substitution since we represented 4 to the power x by t here. So you can recall from here that 4 to the power x equals t. So 4 to the power x equals to t, but t is 200. So we can take it from here. Okay. Now we have the x. So let's bring the power down as we take log on both sides. Okay, let's take log both sides. Okay. So from here, this one is a power rule. Have x log 4 equals to log 200. Okay. So let's divide both sides by log 4. That will be x equals to log 200 over log 4. Okay, so let's reduce them here. So we can write the numerator as log. So we have 4 times 50 equals to log 4. So this one is a product rule. When we have log a plus log b, the same as log a times b. So we have similar one here. That will be log 4 plus log 50 over log 4. So this side will be log 4 over log 4 plus log 50 over log 4. So x will be log 4 over log 4 plus log 50 over log 4. So this side will cancel. My x will be 1 plus log 50 over log 4. Now we can apply change of base here when we have log x over log t the same as log x to base t. So we can write this one as x equals to 1 plus log 50 to base 4. Okay, so let's end here and verify if our answer is correct. Okay, so we have 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x equals to 400. So we have 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x equals to 400. Let's verify that x equals to 1 plus half x 1 plus log 50 base 4. Okay, so we want to verify. All right, so we have 4, and the power will be 1 plus log 50 to base 4, 1 plus log 50 to base 4. Now when we have a to the power n plus t, the same as a to the power n times a to the power t. So this plus here, according to this one will change to 4 to the power 1 times 4 to the power log 50 to base 4. Okay. Plus 4 to the power 1 times 4 to the power log 50 to base 4. So this side will be 4 times. Now, according to this property, log t raised to x base t, the answer is x. So we have this that. We have this that. So we have 50. So this side will be 4 times 50. Plus, we have same thing here, 4 times 50. So 4 times 50 is 100 plus 100. Sorry. So we have 200 plus 200, which is 400. All right. So that's that. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos.